Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Cool Tech. In this video, I'll tell about the uses of play points. So let's start the video. So you can see my point is 60 and this will soon expire. Here the expiry date 15/6/21. So you have to use these points before 15/6/21. So there are various types of application. Here you can see Cookie Run, Oven Break, Candy Crush Saga, Pokemon Go, Angry Birds, Harry Potter, Castle Clash, and also the Google Play Credit. So there are various types of application, various types of coupon you have to earn for this. For this Cookie Run Oven Break, you need 100 points for $3 coupon in that application. Besides, you have to need 250 points for $5 coupon in Candy Crush Saga. So there the interesting is Google Play Credit. You need 100 points Google Play points for $1 credit in Google Play Store. Besides the $10, $5 and $2 also available, but their point is slightly high. Besides, you can earn various types of coupon by the various types of application. Here you can see Episode, Farm Villa, Fiverr, Final Fantasy, Fire Emblem, Idle Heroes, Idle Minor, etc. etc. You can see here. Here you can see the PUBG Mobile. It is very popular in Play Point. Here you can see you need 500 points for $5 coupon. That $5 coupon you can recharge in your PUBG Mobile or any pack. Besides, there is a best value pack. You can see here. You can see 300 play point you need to have this pack, Mad Miramar, in PUBG Mobile. So by this process you can use these points in various types of application that the company will give you, but this point will expire soon. My expiry date is 15/6/2021. So you need to use these points before this date.